Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare a recipe with fish, and this is one of the famous street food of Kolkata and especially from Jakaria Street. The name of the recipe is Mahi Akbari. For this I have this big size katla. You can see the size, and obviously you think where I get this fish. I get it from Jadavpur Bazaar. And this is the fish. The katla was approximate 6 to 7 kg. When you are going to Jakaria Street, you will get the katla fish that is huge in size, at least 10 to 11 kg, and the ring piece will be so much bigger. Only one ring it will weigh around 500 to 600 gram. But I am preparing with a smaller fish because I don't have so much big kadai. Let's start with the recipe. So I'll start with the recipe. One ring piece katla fish, and one more thing I want to tell you that I'm trying to recreate the taste. If you want to have the exact taste, you have to go to the Jakaria Street, but at home if you want to the similar, almost similar taste, so you can try this as well. Let's start with the recipe. I have this fish, and now I have this garlic paste, ginger paste, and then curd. Okay, and then I have little bit of turmeric powder, then red chili powder, salt to taste, and I have this dhania powder, and it's a coarsely dhania powder, the dry one. So sprinkling that, and I have this garam masala powder, the homemade garam masala powder. I'm adding this to enhance the flavor. And now I have this Bengal gram or besan for the binding purpose. Some lemon juice. And little bit of mustard oil. Now I have to mix it very well, and I have to marinate this fish around 30 minutes. Let me rub it well, both sides. And let me show you something. I'll keep it for the marination for 30 minutes, and I have some fish already. I marinated from 30 minutes before. I'm showing it how it will look like. So after marination it will look like this, and I am going to fry this. So I am going to fry it. It will be a deep fry. And you can see the frying started already. There is a question, always people ask me who is doing my video. So the answer is my mother. Always she always does my videos. She loves to do it, and so my camera person is my mother, and I'm going to fry it. Let's see. It will take some time. In a high heat you have to deep fry. So you can see the first frying is done. I have to coat it again with the leftover batter. It's really very hot, so be careful. It will be very crispy. One side is done. And now I have to fry it again. So this time it will be a crispy one. Once it's done, I will serve it. And I have this double fried fish. Mahi Akbari is done. I will serve it with this dhania pudina chutney and some lachha onion. Let me sprinkle some chaat masala. That is my choice. If you don't want to give it, you can omit this portion. So here. And little bit of here. So enjoy your Mahi Akbari from Jakaria Street, of course at home, and do subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and wait for more recipes. Let me know how it is.